Hello, good afternoon to everyone. I'm Dr. Vivak Arya. I'm an associate professor and I am giving this presentation on digital teaching techniques because I'm attending a course on organized by norm. So that is the mandate. So because we are having a course content based on digital teaching technique, I will be dwelling upon the topic on this. Digital teaching techniques revolutionize the traditional education by leveraging technology for enhanced learning experiences. Because of the reason that earlier there was teaching modules which were based on, you can say, hard copies like books and like class notes. But with the onset of these digital techniques like PPT presentations or through, you can say, emails or through Wikipedias or through many search engines, it has already revolutionized and we have more, you can say, audience reaching capacity through this. It's an integration of digital tools. It amplifies engagement, personalization, and accessibility in education. That is very much true. And moreover, there is a two-way process even in digital techniques. You can engage with the audience. In your case, if it is students or farmers, whatever, you can engage with them on many tools, on many platforms, through many techniques which we have learned in this course. There are key digital, techniques like interactive platforms. It's a utilizing platform like interactive whiteboards, educational apps like JPMS, and virtual simulation foster active learning processes. We are having interactive whiteboards where we can use the, digital pen, digital rubber, digital eraser. We can insert the diagrams, we can deduct the diagrams, we can make our lecture more interactive. Adaptive learning is a tailoring content and pacing to the individual student needs through artificial intelligence driven adaptive learning system. Because nowadays there is a lot of uh, talk about the artificial intelligence because now people are using AI models for developing certain modules and technologies. So it is being now used in these digital techniques also, digital technologies also. Remote collaboration, this is a facilitating real-time collaboration among students and educators across geographical boundaries. Even if you are in India, you can have accessibility to the teacher or to the student in USA or to the other countries. There are some digital, teachers features for the teacher. That is, one is the Socrative. It's a platform that enable teachers to create quizzes and assessment that student can take using their devices like mobiles. With Socrative, teachers can monitor student progress and receive instant feedback whether the student is performing well or not, or what are the improvement chances for the student. You can give feedback also. Similar is the Padlet. It is a virtual bulletin board tool allowing teachers to share information, resource, and activity with their students. With Padlet, teacher can create collaborative learning environment. Collaborative means interactive environments. Even 2-3 person can join one platform where student can share ideas and resources. Teachers can add multimedia elements like CD, like any animation or film or some videos. Another one is the CISA. CISA is a platform that enables teachers to create and share multimedia activity and assignment with their student. With CISA, teacher can provide feedback and monitor student progress and engage in real-time discussion with their student, online discussions like we are having interaction with the students normally in our class. Creating, you have to keep in mind certain points like you have to structure your topic, you have to plan your topic, you have to confine yourself regarding your script and storyboards. And it should be concise, it should be precise, it should be very clear, crystal clear. We have to use the conventional tones, conversational tones to make the subject more easier if it is for the students. If it is for the farmers, you have to use the vernacular language like local language, Hindu, Telugu, Hindi, Punjabi. Storytelling approach for effective example, how you can interact with the students or for the farmer by storytelling. It's a very good approach. Similarly, alignment with the learning objectives. Rehearse, you have to rehearse yourself. Even though you are prepared, you have to rehearse and edit because it will give you more concrete command on the subject. You have to keep it short. I already it is written that it should be concise. Similarly, it should be interactive. Some visual effects should be there. And digital tools, like there are many tools I am using at present, like laptop. computers. High speed internet connectivity is a requirement because it internet access, without internet access nothing can be achieved. Even in the 30 days program, we have to have a internet accessibility, because if the internet accessibility is not good, we will not able to create or diffuse the knowledge which we want to. So internet connectivity is a must. Similarly, educational software and applications. There are certain softwares which are Sira, like Sira and Era. They are, and there are application models also. They are the specialized software because they are app based. They are specific to their programs, and for skill development, for simulation, that are required. Similarly, interactive whiteboards, I have already discussed. There are some now online, all the even private schools from primary standards to higher secondary, they are using interactive whiteboard displays. You can edit anything. Similarly, online learning platform, there are websites which are open access as well as paid, both uh, free of cost, or you can pay the cost. There are the various platform on the given virtual reality and augmented reality. You have to create you know interactive session where immersive technology is providing simulating environment or augmenting real world experiences for enhancing learning, this like science, history, and art. You have to create the environment that it should look like a virtual reality and augmented reality. Adaptive learning system, AI powered system, because now artificial intelligence is being used by many individuals through various platforms for personalizing the experiencing. You can use this tool, but it needs little bit of knowledge of coding, like Python. I will say it's a basic you have to use. Similarly, digital library and open education resources, video conferencing and collaboration tools, platform it enabling real-time communication, online lecture discussion, and group project among students and educators. And cloud-based, it is very important because if the data is major, when you are using this cloud-based platform and storage, it just simply split uh, your data into two, three, four parts. So the burden becomes less on one set of computer or laptop, and your cloud can hold your data, and still it is not the load on the laptop because that is somewhere. Sometime it is paid also. I'm using, say for example, paid Google space. Similarly, there are free version also. So now even the new education policy by the Honorable Prime Minister, which was given to by the Parliament of India, it is in India we have to envision a transformative shift towards digital education by leveraging digital technology to democratize access to quality education, access to education, because that is very important. The access of education to the far flung areas where you, if the teacher is not reaching by, if there is a physiographic some issue or something, digitally we can reach if the internet accessibility is there. With this, I stop my assignment. I'm thankful to the organizer for giving me the opportunity. Highly thankful to you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.